All right, so what are we doing here? We doing laundry or what?
No, these are all laundered. These are old t-shirts that I have that I don't throw them away.
He doesn't throw anything away.
I give away all the t-shirts that are dyed. They have a dye in black, yellow, green, whatever. But I always save the whites and the grays.
Okay.
And you'll understand why in a few minutes. I call this apprenticeship work. I'm gonna have you cut these up into rags.
Okay. Sounds good.
So if we're wiping stain, that's why I don't use dyed, because that will, and I used to drive me completely crazy because that dye would transfer in there. Because it's not just the pigment, it's the medium that's carrying it. So if you're using something that's an alcohol-based dye that you're applying or wiping away, okay, or mineral spirit based, whatever, that's what activates the dye in the t-shirt. So what I'm gonna have you do is I'm gonna have you start cutting these up. What's your weapon of choice?
My fuchsia fiskars. All right.
Okay, so there is a
method?
Time out. Okay, so there is a way to cut the t-shirt, okay, and the way I've always done it is right here. I've cut the sleeves off. Those make great for applying wax.
Okay.
Okay, and then what I do is I divide it up. But here's the whole point of this video I want to show you. I used to use scissors until I was up in my wife's quilting studio upstairs.
Craft room.
Okay, and I saw her using these, and I went, now that's the ticket. It's a rotary. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna have you cut that sleeve off with the scissors.
With the scissors, okay.
Okay. And what I'll do is, when I'm getting ready for finishing, and it's been a while and my rag place has, how do you say, depleted my storage, I'll just spend 5-10 minutes and watch, and just cut these right apart. Wow. Okay, and then I'll take it like this, and I'll just take it, and I usually have the shirt like this, and just see how it's like cutting pizza. Hey!
Now we're talking.
Hey, Mario!
Prison Mike. Woo, the Dementors.
Check it out. It's like cutting pizza.
Hey.
Okay, and just cutting these rags and setting them. And you have all different sizes like that, and you're ready to go. So there we go.
Boom.